this video I'm going to show you how to create hyperlinks in Adobe Muse, and I'm going to show you how you can customize these hyperlinks in terms of their color and appearance. So what I've got here is I've got 4 bits of text here. So I've got a piece of text which is linking to the BBC website, so that's going to be an external hyperlink. Then I've got an email hyperlink, I've got a telephone hyperlink, and then I've got a link which is going to go to one of my internal pages that I've already pre-made. So let's deal with external hyperlinks first. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing you need to do is just highlight the text. Then you can come up here to where you've got your links, and you can come in and add the address of the website that you want to do your external hyperlink to. In this case that will be www.bbc.co.uk, and just press the return key and it will then create a hyperlink. Now what you'll notice is that when you create a hyperlink, it comes up with this default link color, which is this blue, and it's also underlined. You can edit this and change this by highlighting the text, and this time coming up here and clicking where it actually says hyperlinks in orange. If I click on that, I can then get this to actually open up in a new tab or a new window, so it doesn't replace my existing page but opens up in a separate tab, separate window. You can add a tooltip. That would be like a little message when people hover their mouse over it. It would be like a little instruction that would pop up that tell them what this does. So in this case, this will take you to the BBC website, would be a good message to put in there. And you can also go here, look, and edit the link styles. So this is where you can change the color and appearance of this hyperlink. So if I go in there, I could come in and change the default link styles by changing all of these colors here for the normal, the hover, the visited, and taking the ticks off to remove the underline, for example. But what you can also do is you can create your own custom links as well. So if I click here to create a new link, and then double click that and say this will be external links, I can create a color scheme which is specifically for external links. So I'm going to go and make that red. I'm going to make the hover state go to like a yellowish color, and the visited can be red, and the active, I'm just going to make that transparent. And I'm going to make sure that there is no underline on any of these options as well. So I don't want any underline on any of those. So I've created a separate default style for external links, which is this color scheme, and saved it there. And you can create as many of these as you like. So if you want one for email links, if you want one for your telephone, you can just click here and then customize the colors and have these different kinds of links. In fact, what I might do is I might go in and create one which is going to be for email links, and this time I might have a purple color as my normal, and as my hover I might go for a green, and then my visited will be the purple, and then my active will be no color. So let's just check what they are. I wanted the active on that one to be transparent as well. So there we go, and I click OK. Now what I can do is I can come in here, highlight that link, go to hyperlinks here, and on this default link style I've got my other 2 options available. So for external links and email links, I can click external links and it will set it up to the color scheme that I set there. Okay, let's go on and create an email hyperlink. So I'm just going to highlight this email address here, which is info@adobemuse.co.uk. I'm going to do Command C or Control C to copy that, come up here, and this time I need to type in here mail to : and then paste in the email address and press return, and that will create an email hyperlink. Of course I've got my pre-custom link style, so I'm going to go in here and choose my email link colors, and that should turn to that purple color that we set earlier. Okay, I'm going to create a telephone hyperlink now. So I'm just going to highlight the telephone number. Now this will only work on mobile phones, so if your website is being viewed on a mobile phone, people can tap this number and then your phone will ring the number that's here. So let's set that as a link so it will work for mobile phones and will ring us if somebody taps it. So I'm just going to do a Command or Control C there, go up here to the hyperlink, and this time I'm going to type in there tel and then : and then paste in the telephone number. So I'm just going to do a return on that, and that will set that up. And then to hyperlink to one of my existing pages that I've already pre-made, I'm just going to highlight this text here, go to my links, and my pages are already listed here because they have been created in plan view. So because the pages already exist in plan view, they're going to be listed here, and I just simply need to hyperlink to that page. So I'm just going to click that, and that will create the hyperlink that you need there. So that's how you can create an external hyperlink, an email hyperlink, a telephone hyperlink, and hyperlinks between your internal pages, and how you can also customize their look and appearance. Just one further thing that I'd like to show you is if you want to remove a hyperlink. So say we don't want this BBC one anymore, I want to get rid of the actual web address. I've made a typing error here and I need to change it. What you can do here is just click the little cross and it will remove the hyperlink from that text. So it's gone altogether. So just to show you that it's disappeared. Okay, and that's hyperlinking here in Adobe Muse.